Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaetech Digital. My name is Kobe. I'm so excited to be here today because we've hit a major milestone, guys. A major milestone. 10,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? I certainly can't. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. This is a huge moment for us, and I just want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Wow. 10,000 subscribers. It's honestly so real. When I started this channel, I never imagined we would come this far. Your support has, been incredible, and I'm truly grateful for every like, comment, and share. It's your great engagement that has made this, channel Kaetech Digital what it is today. And I'm so super grateful. So grateful to you guys. Guys, you don't know what you guys have really done so far. Like, you've done a lot, you know. I started this channel. I sometimes upload a video and then there'll be one view, two views, here and there, and it wasn't really easy. I nearly gave up, but something in me kept saying that just keep uploading, keep giving out your knowledge, keep doing what you are doing, and we are here today. And a big shout outs to all my early subscribers who believe in us from the beginning and stuck around through thin and thick with us. Now guys, you guys are the backbone of this channel. Your loyalty means the world to me and to Kaetech Digital. And to our new subscribers, welcome to Kaetech Digital family. I'm thrilled to have you guys around, and I know that you are not going to just, come and go, but you're coming to stick with us through this, big journey that we have ahead of us. And let's reflect on something small. Reflecting on this journey, it's been an amazing to see how our community has grown from 1,000 subscribers to 2,000 subscribers, and now we are here to 10,000 subscribers. We've been diving deep into WordPress web design tutorials, and I'm glad that many of you have found them helpful, because I remember I posted a questionnaire down there to see if some of you guys find this content that we are making helpful, and a lot of you said you've learned a lot, and some of you even said you've used it to get clients and other stuff. And that is what we are here for, making sure that our impact and our knowledge that we impact on you guys go a long way, not just to help yourself but to help the community and your country as well. And whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, I'm here to share my knowledge and to make the learning process enjoyable. But guys, this is not just about hitting 10,000 subscribers. It's about what comes next. I want to continue to provide valuable content to you guys, okay? For all of us, for you all. So if you have specific topics you would like us or you like me to cover, or questions you want answers, drop them in the comment section below. Your input is critical and crucial in shaping the future of Kaetech Digital. Now, to my new and incredible subscribers, I have a favor to ask. If you have benefited from any of our videos, if you've learned something new and found valuable in what we do, please share our videos with your friends and families. Let's keep this momentum going and grow together. I believe that with your help we can reach even greater heights. 10,000 is just the beginning. We are aiming towards the bigger one, which is the 100,000 subscribers. And once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being part of Kaetech Digital. This journey has been nothing short of amazing, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. Here's to the next milestone and beyond. Until next time, Happy designing, and thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any updates. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll catch you next time in our next video. Bye for now. My name is Kobe.